Welcome to the third video in our training series for Be Air Aware. This training will walk you through each activity in Lesson 2, a recipe for air pollution. First, gather necessary materials. Provided in the kit, you will find 2 plastic deli containers, 4 2-ounce cups with air pollutants, 2 pictures of the city of Phoenix, particle collector patterns, string, and sticky labels. Not provided in the kit are water to fill the plastic deli containers, scissors, and a single hole punch. Where does air pollution come from? In Activity 2.1, you will use common household ingredients, water, cinnamon, pepper, and powdered drink mixes to model different air pollutants. We provide plastic deli containers as well as small cups of cinnamon, black pepper, orange, and purple powdered drink mixes. We also provide laminated pictures of the city of Phoenix to illustrate both good and bad air quality. Before you begin, fill both of the deli containers with water. The water will represent clean air. You will begin the activity by showing the good and bad air quality pictures and ask students what might have polluted the air in the bad air quality picture. Next, you will discuss air pollutants, dust, smoke, car exhaust, and factory pollution. As you discuss each pollutant, student volunteers will add them to one deli container. So here you can see that we're adding black pepper to represent dust. Next, we'll add cinnamon to represent smoke. Next, orange drink mix to represent car exhaust. And finally, purple drink mix to represent factory pollution. And you could definitely see some differences there. You want to compare the deli container with the clean water to show students how air can become polluted. And using water to represent air is a great way to model what happens when air becomes polluted. Activity 2.2, Let's Act It Out, combines learning with movement. Students act out the journey of a single dust particle in the air. This activity can be done in an outdoor space or a large indoor space, such as a gymnasium. Students will need room to spread apart. They will begin the activity crouched down on the ground or floor. Narrate the activity using the blue script in the educator's guide as you guide the students on their journey as a dust particle. In Activity 2.3, you can take learning outside. Follow the pattern to create a particle pollution collector and catch pollution in the air. Students can make a collector for school or home. We provide particle collector patterns, string, and sticky labels. You provide scissors and a hole punch. Let's watch a demonstration video. I'm going to show you just how easy it is to make a particle pollution collector. First, you'll need a pattern. You'll also need a sticky label. And if you don't have a sticky label, you can use Scotch tape or masking tape. You will also need a piece of string that is about 8 to 10 inches long. And then, of course, you'll need a pair of scissors. And if you have a hole punch, that can be useful too. So the first step is to cut out your pattern along the dotted blue lines here. Just like so. Now, when you've completed that step, your pattern will look like this. So the next thing you need to do is cut a window inside along these orange dotted lines here, and then punch or cut a hole in the top right here. Now, a really easy way to cut that window is to fold your collector in half like this, and then start cutting along the lines like so. Now, when you've completed this step, your pattern will look like this. So there's my window right here, and then my hole at the top. Next, take your sticky label and you want to peel it off the backing like so. So you have one side that isn't sticky and one side that is. You want to place it along the back of your window here that you've cut out, and you want to make sure that the sticky part is facing towards the front. So here I have placed it on the back, and my sticky part is facing outwards. Finally, take that string and you want to thread it through the hole at the top, like so, and then tie the two ends together. You get that even. Tie the two ends together in a knot, and this will form a hanging loop so that you can hang it up. Make sure to write your name, the date, and then the location where you plan to hang up your particle pollution collector. So have fun exploring particle pollution in your neighborhood. See what you can catch on your collector. Choose an outdoor location where students can hang up their collectors, or students can choose a location at home. Leave them up for at least 24 hours and see what you catch. Now join me for our final training video on Lesson 3.